This is a brand new 2013 Buick Encore. Its top features include Bluetooth cell phone integration, a parking camera, a heated steering wheel, heated seats, an intercooled turbocharger, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, a CD player, side curtain airbags, full power accessories, a rear spoiler, an anti-lock braking system, front fog lights, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. Contact us today to schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.
Thank you for considering Schumacher Automotive for your next luxury vehicle. If you have any questions, please visit our website, give us a call, or stop by our dealership, located at 3720 North Lake Boulevard in Lake Park.